gonna show you how we assemble our badminton net. So I cut this to about 16 inches, and we put it here in the ground. You see that? This is the PVC that I cut, and I see this one. You just have to put it there in the hole of the PVC, and this is a pipe, plumber pipe, and we put here 45-degree angle for the support. See, 45-degree angle to pull this. Pull like that. 45 degrees. It's gravity, guys. So 45 degrees to support that. Pull right here. And then right here it's the same. Another PVC pipe, and this is a steel pipe for plumbing pipe. And you just take this off when you're done. Another 45-degree angle for the support right there. And for the pole, because this is a DIY pole, we drill here. See, and I put the screw. This is a screw. You see at the back, that is a screw. That one. We drill here, and we put a screw right there. That screw, and then this is the type of screw, guys, that we put in the badminton pole. See, this can take it out. We put this in the hole that we drill. Put it like that, and just close it with screw. That's it. We put the tie underneath to hold it. It's just like a bolt screw. And then at the top is the same. We drill the hole, and we put a screw the same like this. Same, the top and the bottom to hold the rope. It's the same at the side. Same there, the holes. And then we put the supporting rope here for the bottom. You can just unscrew this. It's like a bolt screw. See, we drill from here to here, and we put this bolt screw. Then we tie the rope the same at the top. That's the top, and this is the bottom.